I will edit your travel and vacation footage to an amazing video. Hi, welcome my friend. My name is Derek. I am a professional video producer, editor, dedicated to the art of filmmaking. I have over 5 years of experience in video editing, and I have managed to successfully master the technique of editing fast and efficiently while keeping the quality at a maximum. As a perfectionist and as well as a film fanatic, I will get the best out of your footage. Feel free to check out my show reel to get a feeling of what I love doing and what I can do for you. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.